y'all, Kobe Custom here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I display my hobbies anywhere from model cars to upholstery to mechanical, electrical, and I got a couple of project cars that I'll be building. Come along with me and let's check it out. Hey y'all, Kobe Custom here, and yeah, you guessed it, I'm working on a 1969 Chevy Camaro convertible, aka Old Mojo Killer. But anyway, let's get this camera turned around and let you see what I got going on today. Alright, so what I got going on today is steering column and the painless wiring harness. I'm going to get ready to start putting some of these pieces together for the turn signal. So these wires right here, they run off of the main harness. You can see my fuse panel or whatever. I got my instructions. Here's the instruction manual. And it goes over, you know, which wire goes where. These wires here. And the wires on the steering column. So I'm gonna connect all of these into the plug where it needs to go. And here in the instruction manual kind of shows you which is what and where it goes where. So let me get this camera set up and I'll take you along for a ride on how to wire up this steering column. Alright, I'm back with you. And so according to the instructions, we got white, that'll be for the brake light power. See, green for the rear turn, yellow for the rear left turn, purple for the turn signal power, brown for hazard power. See, blue for right turn indicator power, another blue for front right turn. Got a light blue for left turn indicator power, another light blue for front left turn. We got black for horn activation. So there's a white, green, yellow, purple, brown, blue, light blue, and black. Here's the plug that will connect to that. I've marked it with a couple of arrows so I can see how it goes. And I'll start putting these wires in here. So first we're going to start with, I guess, the white one. Find the white wire. Plug in there like so. You do just take and push it in there. And it clicks and locks in. So we got the white one started. Next we'll go with green. So the green wire will be next. So we'll insert that like that. the green. And next, we'll go with yellow. Like so. And the purple. You just want to take your time, make sure that each one is in correspondence with each color. When it comes to wiring, you want to just take your time, don't get in no hurry, do not get distracted, because if you miss a step and try to troubleshoot, you have a mess on your hand. So the next color is going to be brown. White, green, yellow, purple, brown. Next color will be the dark blue. I know a lot of people are intimidated by doing wiring, but if you get a painless wire harness, like the name says it all, it's pretty painless. Just like I say, take your time, don't get in no hurry. Light blue. Last but not least, we got the black. Pretty much it. You're connected. And everything's good to go. So white, green, yellow, purple, brown, dark blue, light blue, and black. And that's pretty much it for the turn signal wiring harness on the steering column. But anyway, you see it. It's getting there, slowly but surely. But most definitely coming to a block near you. Oh yeah.